Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is going to be an Ajio haul and I'm really excited to show you all the stuff I got. And to be honest, after Shein got banned, like I was searching through internet to get more stuff, like more great brands, and Ajio is one of the best alternative I've come across. Like even Myntra is one of them, but Ajio is such a good alternative, which is like exact price and much cheaper than Shein and with trendy stuff. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I've shopped from a variety of brands and variety of age groups, like from kids to women's to girls to men's, and I have a great idea about Ajio and the brands. Like there's Trends, there's Marks and Spencer. Ajio, its own self brand, is amazing and I love their rate, and they have coupon codes. Firstly, I'm gonna start with what I got for myself and what is like for me. So I love this, this tie-dye print stuff. It's so trending. I love this. So I got this t-shirt. This is from Rio, which is a Trends brand, I guess, Reliance Trends brand, and I really love the color and the fit of it. It's an extra small size, and it's originally priced at $4.99, which is truly like cheap, and I got it on discount as well. So I'm really like loving this t-shirt. It's very basic and you could style it up, style it down. I love this, the color and the print. The print may not be visible that nicely, even in the try on it's not that visible, but it's so soothing. It's one of my best purchase and favorite from the whole haul. So sorry guys, it's not iron. I forgot to do that, but this top is so pretty. The color is so soothing, the burgundy color. I love that, and I got it in the size small, and it's also from the brand it's from Fig, FIG. It's also a Trends brand, and I just love the thing, the collar and the tie-up thing right here. I just love this. I love the whole top. The material isn't the best, but for the price I'm paying, it's very cheap. I guess I got it for 300 or something, which is really nice. So I really like this. I also got one for my mom. It's in a different size because she even liked the color and it fits her so nicely and so perfectly. So I got this in another size and we will be twinning in this outfit. So next up is this. Like I thought it's going to be a blouse, but it's a little thicker quality, which is really nice quality. I'm not even complaining. Like I could wear it in October and November when it's a little cold in Delhi. So I just love the print all over it. It's just so pretty, and the sleeve has some sort of details right here, if you could see. So I just love this one. It's from the brand DNMX, and I got it in a medium size. Small would work for me, but it wasn't in stock, so I got this one. I really love this. It's good for like I can't wear it right now in this summer hot, like sultry weather, but obviously it would be good for October and November time. It's more like a sweatshirt. Next is this top. This is also from the brand DNMX, and I got this in the size small. So this top is like totally bright red. I never wear red color, and I just don't like red color, but I just love the top. The feels of the floral thing is just my game. I just love that. It has like these sort of frills over here in both of the shoulders, and it also has this kind of sleeve, which is really pretty. I'm gonna show you that. I tried it and it fitted me so nicely. I just love it. I've never loved red color that much. So it has this kind of frill sleeve, which is so cute and it gives such a cute vibe. Really love this top, and it wasn't expensive at all. 700 on discount I would have gotten it for 400 or something. Next top is one of my favorite. Like most of the items are my favorite, but this is like favorite because of the sleeves. Like I wasn't planning to order this, but I did. I don't know why. It's from FIG Fig and it's in a small size. So this is the top. It looks very classic and in beige color with the floral print. It looks really nice, and I just love the sleeves. Like look at the sleeves. If I'm gonna show you in the try on, even you could see The sleeves are amazing. I just love it. The sleeve is my favorite about this top. It fits so nicely, and I also ordered one of the same thing for my mom later on, and the delivery is not still here, so I can't show you. I also ordered some more stuff like for my brother, for myself. I was obsessed with Ajio, and I'm still, but it didn't. I just didn't get the order till now. I'm waiting for it, but I had to film the haul, so I started filming the haul. So next item is this skirt. I was like planning to buy a kurta or something for the festival Rakhi which is coming, but I thought of let's getting a skirt or something, so I got this skirt. This pretty skirt, just love this. It's from the brand Avasa. Yeah, it's from the brand Avasa. I got this in a size small. It wasn't even expensive. MRP at 1300 and we got it for 600 or so, which is truly amazing. And I love the print of the skirt and everything. Like I could pair it up with so many things. I just love this bag. I also got this for my mom because I just don't know, we wanted to twin a lot, so I got this for her in her size and it fitted her nicely, so she's loving it. So next I have this beautiful dress. Like it's such a pretty dress. I love it. The print is so good and it's from the brand Rio, and it's in size small. So I just love this dress. It's not for me, it's for gifting purposes, but I really love this dress a lot. It's such nice and breezy dress. I'm planning to get something like this for me as well. Also ordered a green color dress. I'm gonna insert a picture here. It's still not delivered to me. I just don't know why, but it's like same sort of thing from the same brand, and the quality is really nice. It's a very thick texture and not even transparent, so I love this dress a lot. So next up I have this cute little top for my little cousin. I don't know, I think I have to gift her this, so my mom planned to order this. So it's like a cute little dungaree dress. This is so cute. Oh my god, it's very cute, and with the top with it, I just love this. And it's from the brand Friends. I just don't know, but I really love how cute this looks and she's gonna love it. And this is for age group. So this is from the age group 3 to 4 years. It's from my little cousin and she would love this. This is so cute. I just love baby clothes a lot. Next up I have these two camo print shirts, like half sleeve shirts for boys. So these are also for gifting purposes. I got this and these are really nice. These are from Gap. So the rest of the stuff left is not for me and for my cousins, and I don't think you all will be interested in that. You see, like there are some t-shirts and some basic stuff to gift. While I was filming the haul, 3 stuff came from 5 and 2 are still left. But still, so this is one thing. I'm gonna insert a picture. It's a short kurta for my brother. It's from the brand, the Indian Garage Co-Dot. So it's from that brand. It's a very nice olive green color. I just like this a lot. So he's gonna wear this on Rakhi. This is this top which I showed you previously. It's for my mom and I got it in a size. She loved the top. She loved the sleeve. So I got this for her as well. So the next top is mine. I'm gonna pair this up with the skirt. I just received it now, so I was like, thank god I'm filming the haul and it's here. So this is the off-shoulder top. I wanted a really wide basic off-shoulder top because I could pair it up with anything and everything, with skirts, shorts, denims, with colorful pants, printed pants, dungarees. So I got this. And I really don't think it's gonna be that transparent or something. It's from the brand Projective. I got this in a size small. It's not pressed because I just received it, and I really like this, the way it looks. And also the items were sanitized just before I got them. They were sanitized and then I opened it. So this is the top. I really like this top. I'm gonna pair it up with the skirt. It's gonna look amazing. So I really hope that you will like this video because I loved Ajio haul a lot. Like I came across a variety of stuff from there, from kids to men's. I freaking love everything. The quality is amazing and it's one of the best Shein alternative. I'm saying it again, but you should definitely try there. The shoes are amazing, their clothing is amazing, 100 on 100, and their ethnic wear is truly amazing. I've tried it earlier and it's very good. So I hope that you will like this video. Still 2 items are still left, but I'm going to insert some pictures of them. There are 2 dresses and oh, they're so pretty. Like really pretty, but they are still not here. I don't know why they are doing that much, taking that much time. But still, that I hope that you will like this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And stay safe, stay happy. Bye, guys.